morning children. Welcome back to online classes. Previous class children, we have discussed about the water cycle. Yani children, so water cycle, what is the method of water cycle? Water in nature is always moving. Water in nature is always moving, rising up to form clouds and then coming down again as rain. And children, see here, water in nature. Water in nature is always moving. Is always moving. It's the rising up to form cloud. It's rising up to from clouds. Yeah, the children, see here how it is. It's rising up. Slant. It's a sun. And the children, so it's rising up and form a what? It's form of clouds and then coming what? Then coming down again as rain. And the children, again as well. And the same water is collecting in the river, lake, ponds, and then again it's taking in the form of steam, it's form of cloud, and then again we get the rain. So this process is called a water cycle. Yeah, the children, so this thing we discussed in the previous class. How we get the water, children? Tell me how we get the water at home? Yes, we get the water at home through the pipelines. So, through the pipeline systems, we get the water. Yeah, the children, sometimes what will happen? What we will do? We will this rainwater. This rainwater collecting in the big tank. We are collecting in the big tank only. See, and this pipeline is connected to this tank. See here, it is connected to this tank, and then same water, whatever we collect from the river, we collect in this tank, in water tank, and that same water we will use in our home. When all the taps, pipelines are connected to our home only. When you on the tap, you will get the water. Yeah, no, children. So, from the river, lake, we are taking the water with the help of pipeline. And this river water we are collecting in the big tank. And that tank water we will use in our through the pipeline. Okay, children. So this all the things we have discussed in the previous class. Nowadays, what you will do, children? In your home, on the terrace, you have observed your parents use the big syntax. So when the tap water comes, what they will do? That tap waters they will store in that big black colored barrels. In the syntax, they will collect. Once the tap water is gone, then the syntax water they will use for home. Yeah, the children? Did you observe on the terrace? Did you observe? Yes, that is a big syntax, no? What your parents will do when the tap water comes, that pipeline, it's connected to the direct syntax only. They will fill the syntax, and once the tap water is gone, and that syntax water they will use for various purposes. Yes or no? Sometimes what you will do, if in your home down underground there is a sump, big tank is there inside of your house, big tank, that is called a sump. So you will connect that water in the sump also, and then later you will use. Yes or no? That water you can use for washing, then cleaning the vessels, for floor, gardening, for animals. You can use it, that water. Which water you have collected in the sump. Clear, children? So here I will show you one small image. How that pipeline system, just to see, this pipeline system attached to the river water, and with the help of this pipeline they are collecting the river water in this big tank. Yeah, no, children? And then later this tank water they will use in their home. From this big tank the pipeline is connected to our home, and we are using this water. Yes, children? So, water is very important. Water is very important. So, we have to save the water instead of wasting water. So, these all the things we have discussed in the previous classes. And the children, how to use the water for various purposes, and how the animals, plants, birds need the water. We also discussed about the water cycle. Yeah, no? So remember, children, always we have to drink the clean and pure water. Nowadays in your home you can see your parents are using the water filter. Did you observe? Yes, you are drinking the water filter water, no? Yes, that water is very pure. Why you want the water filter? Why you can't drink the direct water from the tap? Because in that water there is a numbers of germs. If you drink like that only, then you will get the disease, stomach pain, dysentery, diarrhea, like that. Disease you will get. So we have to drink the filtered water only always. Clear, children? We should not drink the dirty water. If we drink the dirty water, we will get sick. Our health will disturb. Okay, children? Now, today's class we will see how does water get dirty. How does water get dirty? How does water get dirty? Tell me, children, how does water get dirty? Yes, when we throw garbages or dirt into the river, lake, sea or other water bodies, then we are dirtying water. All the dust particles from your house, If you collect and throw in the water becomes dirty. Yeah, the children, whatever waste material is there in your home, everything, if you dump in the water, then water get pollute. Yes or no? Yes. Yeah. If you are washing the clothes, near to the water, it's a river, near to the water, then what will happen? Whatever you will wash, that soap water and the dirt, everything, it is mixed to the river water only. You are giving the bath for animal, so you are making the water dirty. Yes or no? Yes. Collecting the dust from outside, leaves and all the things, you clean and collect it in the dustbin or kitchen waste. Everything you will throw in the water only, then it's become dirty. Big factories and the industry, they leave the chemicals, they leave the oil in river water only. That chemical also it mix into the water. Water getting polluted because of these all the things. Hospital space, whatever is there remains. Tablet, medicines you are dumping in the water, then what will happen? It's pollute. Water get the dirty only. Yeah, the children? Washing the cloth, washing the vessels, taking the bath near to the water, throwing the garbages, waste into the river, lakes, pond, streams, or we say the other water bodies. We are dirtying the water, and the same water we are drinking, so we will get sick. Clear, children? So we should not throw anything in water. We should not throw anything in water. You can see here, this man is washing the clothes near to the river. All the dirt, soap water, it's mixed in river water only. This lady is washing the, or we say cleaning the plates near to the water. This all the soap water and dirt, whatever food it is remains, it is mixed in the river only. Next, this boy is throwing all the dust into the river. See here, bottle, plastic, papers, everything, whatever waste material you will find in your home, everything you are throwing in the river. Here you can see one pipeline. That means what? Factories, chemical. This is called the factories. Factories, all the chemicals living in the water only. This chemical is mixing in water. And then you can see this is the factory, chemical and oil we are living in this river water only. Then the water gets pollute. Clear, children? So these are all the things we should not do near river. Yes. So these are all the things we should not throw and we should not leave in the water. Whatever waste material is there, you have to dump in the dustbin only. Clear, children? If you do like this, then the water won't get pollute, because the same water we are drinking. Clear, children? So whatever dust you will find in your home, waste materials, collect and keep and throw in the dustbin. Wash the clothes far from the river. Wash the clothes far from the river. Take a bucket and give the bath for animals. Don't take in the river only. Take very far from the river. Even the washing cloth also very far. Clear? If you do this like then the water won't get polluted, because we are the responsible for water pollution. We all people. Yeah, the children. So remember always this water we are drinking. So it's our duty to keep the water neat, clean and pure. Don't dump anything in the water bodies. Clear? So I will show you the one small clip related to the water pollution. See here children throwing the garbages, washing clothes, utensils, giving the bath for animals. Factories allow waste to flow, chemicals, oils. We should not waste water. Yes children, just now I have shown the very small video clip that how the persons are making the water dirty by throwing the numbers of things. Yeah, children, when we throw the garbages, when we throw garbages or any dirt into river, lakes and other water bodies, we are dirtying water. Yeah, the children, that is called the water pollution. Okay children. So instead of throwing all the things, dumping all the garbages, dirt, giving the bath for animals, washing the clothes, utensils, we should not do near to the river. We should have to do this all the things far from the water. Okay children, so here I have finished this unit all importance water. In this lesson we discussed about how the water is very important to us, how we will use the water for various purposes, formation of rain, water cycle, how the water we get at home through the pipelines, and we also discussed about the how does water get dirty. And the children, so this is all the topic we have discussed in this classes. Now based on that, I will give the some work for you children. So related whatever today's topic I have thought for you, water pollution. So based on that, I will give the some work for you children. You have to do in the EVS notebook. Put yes or no. Animals will die. Animals will die without water. We should throw the garbages garbages into the rivers. We get at home, we get water at home, water at home through water pipeline. Children, we get water at home through water pipeline. I will write here water pipeline. Or we can write we get water at home through by turning on tap. By turning on a tap. Next one. Children, I will give the one activity. Take the help of your parents and do it. Okay, children? The activity. Make a place cards and put them up. Make flashcards, okay children? And put them up and put them up. So take a chart and cut like flashcard, like this shape. You have to cut. Okay children? And then on that flashcard, cut in rectangle. So on this flashcards, you have to write, do not waste water. Do not waste water. Then again, make a 3 flashcards. One more is what? Every drop of water is precious. Every drop of water is precious. Last one. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap when not needed. When not needed. So these things you have to, this statement, this sentence you have to write in the flashcard. Cut a rectangle shape, correctly take the help of your parents and then write this sentences in that flashcards only. Okay children, so this activity you have to do it in home. Take the help of your parents. Okay children, and after doing this activity, when you finish, take one photocopy and send me in the app children. Okay. So there is a one more activity children for you. Write at least 2 sentences. Why can't we drink sea water? Sea water means what children? ನೀವು ಗೋವಾ ಬೀಚ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರವಾರ ಬೀಚಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದು ನೀರು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಉಪ್ಪು. Sea water is always salty because in that high amount of salt is there. ಅದು sea water ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಖಾರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನೀರು ನಾನು ಕುಡಿಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆನ ವಾಶ್ ಆಗೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ in that salt content is more. Okay children, so why we cannot drink the sea water? Because the sea water is very salty and we cannot use this water for cooking, washing, soaping, drinking and for agriculture also. Okay children, so why we cannot drink the sea water? Write only 2 lines and take the help of your parents. I will write here. Write only 2 sentences. Okay, write only 2 sentences. What is that? Why can't we drink sea water? Why we can't drink sea water? Okay children, because why we cannot drink the sea water? Because this water is salty and it is unfit for cooking, washing and agriculture also. So for this activity and for this you have to take the help of your parents. ಇದು activity ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ parents ಗೆ help ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay children, so finish this activity and then send me in the app. The same thing I will continue in the next class children. Thank you.